Alright, let's do this one last time.
Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse is the best movie of all time. Changed my mind. I mean, it literally changed animation forever. Look at this. The shadows are made of lines. If you showed this to an animator from 5 years ago, they would be astounded. That's why today, I'm remaking it in Blender. So, the first step was the shader. Basically, Spider-Verse does lighting completely different to anything else. Highlights, circles, shadows, lines, focus, chromatic aberration, whatever that is. Luckily, with the help of this Blender tutorial, it was sorted. It wasn't quite right though, so I had to change it up a bit later. The next problem was the model. I don't think our current one is going to work. This isn't Sphere into the Spiderverse. So after downloading a model off of Sketchfab, all I need to do is put the material on and... Luckily, after changing the shader up a bit, the texture was back. Now it was time to pose it. Alright, looking good. Let's replace that cube though. Much better. But then, disaster struck. I forgot to change the window back to Blender. It's just 15 minutes of this download screen. So in the meantime, this video is sponsored by me. Brawlberry is a co-op roguelike dungeon crawler where every encounter is a completely unique boss fight. Unlock powerful upgrades with your friends as you battle through the fruitscape. Wishlist on Steam today, link in the description. Back to the video. So yeah, I'm assuming you guys don't want to watch 15 minutes of a single screen, so I'm just going to show you the finished product.